Good morning students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to continue exercise 6.1. You can take page number 96 in your NCERT textbook and you can refer from the textbook. Okay children? Hope you all have taken page number 96 children. Third problem, we are going to discuss about the third problem. What we have discussed in our first and second problem. In the first problem, they ask you what is the unit digit of the square of those numbers. So we have find the unit digit. Unit digit means what? What is the value of the ones place of that square of numbers. Second problem, they have given all the numbers as not perfect square. We have to give reason why it is not a perfect square. Okay. Third problem, the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. They are asking to find the square of these and we have to write the whether its square is a odd number. Okay. Actually, how will you judge it as an odd number? By seeing the ones place, right? If the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is an even number. If it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it is an odd number. Okay. So listen, 431. The value is actually 431. What is the unit digit of 431? Unit digit of 431 is 1. Correct? Then the unit digit of square of 431 is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, that is 1. Therefore, 431 square of 431 is square of 431 is odd number. Okay. Listen, they ask you whether square of 431 is an odd number. Yes, of course, because the unit digit of 431 is 1. So what will be the square? What I told you, if you want to find the square's unit digit, you should multiply the last value 2 times. 1 into 1. Upon 1 is the unit digit of the square of the 431. So we got 1. If the unit digit is 1, it is obviously an odd number. Therefore, the square of 431 is an odd number. Okay. The second number, 2826. What is the unit digit of this number? Unit digit of 2826 is 6. Correct? Unit digit means what? Ones place digit. So unit digit of 2826 is 6. So what we have to find? We have to find the unit digit of the square of the given number. Then the unit digit of square of 2826 is 6 into 6, 36. So that is, what will be the last digit? 6. Correct? 6 6 are 36. So what is the unit place of 36? 6. So the unit place of the square of 2826 is 6. Therefore, the square of 2826 is even number. Okay, whether they ask you whether it is an odd number, but it is an even number. Therefore, it is not an odd number. Okay. 7779. So what you will do? Unit digit of 7779 is 9. Yes, it is. What is the value in ones place? 9. Then the unit digit of square of 7779 is 9 into 9, because 9 is in last place. Upon 9 9s are 81. That is, what is the last digit? 1. Okay. Because 9 9s are 81. So what it is in unit place 1. Therefore, square of 7779 is odd number. Is it correct? Yes. This is your fourth question. What is the question? 82,004. Right. So what is the unit digit of this 82,004? 4. Okay. Unit digit of 82,004 is 4. What is the unit digit of squares of this number? 4 4s are 16. So what is the unit digit? 6. Then the unit digit of square of 82,004 is 4 4s are 16. That is 6. Okay. Therefore, square of 82,004 is an even number. Okay, because the digit is 6. So it is an even number. Understood? So if it is 1 or something, we can say that it is an odd number. So in this third question, 431 and 7779 is an odd number. Their squares will be an odd number. Okay. Next is your fourth problem. Fourth problem, you can write it in your textbook. Okay. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. See, we have find the number patterns. We have learnt about number patterns, no? The same way, here is one pattern given. We have to check what is this common thing between these patterns, and you have to fill this. Okay, just seeing the pattern. See, 11 square, 101 square, 1001 square. Okay, so 1,00,001 square, like that it is given. See, 11 it is there, in between 1 0 is added, 2 zeros are added, 4 zeros are added, 6 zeros are added. Okay, now 1 2 1 for 11, what they have given? 1 2 1. 11 square is 1 2 1. 101 square means 10201, which means, listen, in between these two 1 0 is inserted. So in between every number 1 0 is inserted. Okay, listen. Then 1001, in between these two 2 zeros are inserted. So in between 1 2 1, 2 zeros are inserted. Okay, now 4 zeros, so what it will be? 1 0 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You can write like this, because in between these two ones 4 zeros are inserted. So in between 1 2 1, 4 zeros should be inserted. Next, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first you should write 1 you should write, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 1. Okay, 1 2 1. In between these two numbers 6 zeros are given. Okay, understood? Next, the fifth question is your homework. Okay, now we are going to deal with our sixth problem. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Here also we are going to find the missing numbers. See, in your right side of the question, there is one blue color box to find the pattern. Okay, there is a hint given. Okay, in order to find this missing numbers, there is a hint. What is a hint means? Third number is related to first and second number. How? They are asking, the third number is related to first and second number. How we are saying it is related? Because the third number is answer of first two multiplication. First two numbers multiplication, the answer is the third number. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Appa 20 square. 5 dash 6 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 7s are 42. So what is the relation between third number and the first two numbers? When you multiply first and second number, you will get the answer in the third number. So we have find these numbers now. Okay, then second question, what it is given in the blue box. Fourth number is related to third number. Is it? Yes, because fourth number is the next number of third number. 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 13, 20, 21, 30, 31, 42, 43. Okay, actually the third number is the next, the fourth number is the next number of third number. So shall we write the reason why? You can write here. Third number is the multiplication value of first and second number. Okay, or multiplied value, you can write like this, multiplied value of first and second number. Okay, third number is the multiplied value of first and second number. Then fourth number is the next number of third, correct? Because fourth number is the next number of third. 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 13, 20, 21, 30, 31, 42, 43. So you can write this reason in the gap where it is given. You can write these two questions in your textbook and your homework also in the textbook. Okay. Next is your seventh problem. Without adding, find the sum of these numbers. See, we don't want to add like 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9, like that. We should not add it, but you should find the addition of these values. Actually, what numbers is this? All are odd numbers. First 5 odd numbers, right? In page number 94, they have given these answers. When you add first odd number, it will be 1 square. If you add first 2 odd number, it is 2 square. 3 odd numbers, 3 square. 4 odd numbers, 4 square. 5 odd numbers, it is 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have added first 5 odd numbers. So answer is 5 square. 5 square is what? 5 5s are 25. So what is the sum of these values? Answer is 25. Now I have added 1, 3, 5, 7. So I have added all the odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally I have added 10 odd numbers. So what you will be writing? You will write 10 square. 10 square is what? 10 tens are 100. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many odd numbers I have added? 12. Upper 12 square. 12 square is 144. You see, you should not blindly just write 12 square. You should check after 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 8, 17, 19, 21, 23. Whether it is in correct order or not, you should check it. If it is 12 numbers given, 12 square. 10 numbers, 10 square. 5 numbers, 5 square. Okay, then you should write, you should not stop till this. You should write 5 5s are 25, 10 10s are 100, 12 12s are 144. Like that you should write it. Okay children. Next, eighth problem. Express 49 as a sum of 7 odd numbers. We have to write a sum of 7 odd numbers. So shall we write it? Actually, what is meant by 49? 49 is nothing but 7 square. Correct? 49 is nothing but what? 7 square. 7 sevens are 49. So instead of 49, you can write it as 7 square. Actually, if it is 7 square, the value is, if you add 7 odd numbers like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have added first 7 odd numbers. That answer will be 7 square, which is nothing but 49. So I have written the 49 as 49 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So I have written the 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. So this is how you should write it, okay? They have asked you to write the number as, since I know 49 as 7 square, I can write it easily. Okay children? Second problem, express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So what we have to write? We have to write 121 as sum of 11 odd numbers. What is 121 actually? 11 square. 11 11s are 121. So how 11 square means if you add first 11 odd numbers, it will be correct. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have added first 11 odd numbers which is equal to 11 square, which is nothing but 121. So therefore I am writing 121 as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Okay, I have written the number 121 as like this. Okay children? Next is your last question from this exercise. How many numbers lies between squares of the following numbers? See, have you heard this word definition? How many non-square numbers are between two square numbers? Yes, you can take page number 93. In that they have given there are two numbers n and n plus 1. The square of these two numbers are given. We are going to find the numbers between these two. Okay, there are two numbers given, n and n plus 1. Then square of those numbers are given. We have to find the number of non-square numbers between these two. So what is the formula? There will be 2n numbers. 2n non-square numbers will be there between these two square numbers. How many non-perfect square numbers will be there? 2n non-square numbers will be there between these two square numbers. Okay. So here we have to take n is equal to 12. N plus 1 is equal to 13. Correct? Because 12 plus 1 13. So n 12 means n plus 1 13. So, number of non-perfect square numbers, perfect square numbers between n and n plus 1 is equal to 2n, because there are 2n numbers will be there between these two square numbers. So, number of non-perfect square numbers between n and n plus 1, between squares of n and n plus 1. Correct? Squares of n and n plus 1 is 2n. So, what is the n value? 2 into n value is 12. 2 12s are 24. So, how many numbers are there? 24 numbers. Don't take n as 13. Then n plus 1 should be 14. Take n as 12 and n plus 1 as 13. So, how many? So, 12 square will be here, 13 square will be there. We should find the number of non-perfect numbers, square numbers between these two square values, which is 2n. Okay, understood? We have to find the non-perfect square numbers between the squares of 25 and 26. Which you will take it as n? You will take n as 25 and n plus 1 as 26. Correct? So, therefore, the number of non-perfect square numbers between the squares of n and n plus 1 is 2n. Correct? So, what is the n value here? 25. So, 2 into 25 is what? 50. So, there are 50 non-perfect square numbers will be there between the squares of 25 and squares of 26. Okay. Next, third problem. Which one you will take it as n? 99. So n plus 1 means 100. Okay. Therefore, number of non-perfect square numbers between squares of n and n plus 1 is what, children? 2n. Don't forget this formula. This 2n is to find the number of non-perfect square numbers between the squares of n and n plus 1. So n is equal to 2 into n value is what, children? 99. 99 into 2 is what? 9 2s are 18, 1 19. So 198 non-perfect square numbers will be there between the squares of 99 and 100. So 198 values will be there. Okay, children? Today's class we have discussed about the exercise 6.1. I have given fifth problem as homework, which is related to the number pattern. You have to write that answer in the textbook. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.